Welcome back to Barricade Rides. Barricade here. Got another great install video. My grips, they're the Harley Davidson ones, very nice. But around these two fingers, it's thick. I'm winter riding right now, so I gotta get some warmer gloves. And my thicker gloves, they're harder to grip around here in this area. So I ordered some thinner ones. I ordered the Arlen Ness dual ring grips. Got them from Amazon as well. Paid 53 bucks. I really tried to find a better deal. No luck this time. Can't win them all. But let's check them out and let's get them installed. Alright, I got these. We're about to install some Arlen Ness grips. Pretty stoked on these. These are installed right now are my Harley Davidson ones. And right in this area, it's a lot thicker than these two fingers. And we're in the winter season riding now, so I need to wear some thicker gloves. And this thicker area, it makes it a little harder for me to hold my grips. So I'm gonna try out some much thinner ones. My Arlen Ness. I'm pretty stoked on these. Got a good style, so we're gonna get started and swap them out. So I'm gonna loosen up this nut and then the one right here. Gonna use the T25 Torx for that. Put it right in my pocket for safekeeping. Comes apart right here, and you just simply slide it out. I'm going to loosen up one more. And just a reminder, I am not a mechanic, so if I can do this, so can you. Save yourself close to $100 for the install fee. But it slides off just like that. So you want to loosen up these two, and then loosen these up, or you want to take these two out. And then you want to loosen these up enough so that way this can come down far enough so that way you can pull this completely out. We're going to go ahead and open up this. So this is the throttle side, and the way you can tell with this is you got that ridge right along there. That goes inside the throttle itself. Got instructions here. Who needs instructions? But one of the things it does say is do not use glue. I don't use glue. The only one I need to seal is this side, and I use hairspray for that.
We got back in there good. I want to get these started first. I'm going to go ahead and tighten those up, get right where I want it. I'm going to install this one, and then the other.
So I'm not going to do this one all the way tight yet, because I want to make sure I can get the bottom one in as well. And the bottom one I'm going to do all the way tight now. And now all I got to do is come up here and tighten that off. So how simple this one is? That one's going to be a little bit more challenged because it's sealed on there with hairspray, so it's not going to be too bad. So let's get on to the other grip. First, I'm going to remove the phone holder, phone mount. So with the way this mount works, this is all kind of connected. So I'm going to put that away for safekeeping in my pocket. Then I'm going to take my Torx back out. And just like the other side, I'm going to remove these two right here. Put it right back in my pocket for safekeeping. And little tech tip, I keep these two pockets completely empty, so when I reach in I can grab exactly what I need, and it prevents me from pulling in, say, my keys, pull that out, and then the screw or whatever falls on the ground, and then I gotta dig for it. I don't have a garage at this moment, so I'm working in my gravel driveway, and it's really tough finding parts. So it just fell. Luckily, right here. So I'm going to pull that over so it leans on there. Then I'll pull this out. Oh, luckily, that was very easy. So we got this one, the passenger grip. Comes with a Pacific blue, so I don't think I'm going to use the hairspray on this one, so I'm going to just stick with what it comes with. So I poke the hole using that. Wipe that off a bit. I'll put a little bit on the inside here and get started. A little bit on the outside, careful. So I gotta work quick, and then I want to make sure the Arlen Ness is on the bottom. It's all the way in there. Got a little glue on the outside, so I'm going to grab a paper towel and wipe. Alright, I had some excess glue around the grip, so I'm going to wipe around it. And now that we're this far along into this, I understand better what they meant by no glue. So in this one it had the paper saying no glue. And the reason why you don't want to glue is because you don't want to mess up being able to throttle. This side you don't want moving around, so you're going to use glue. So already it's drying, it's on there real good. So I'm really pleased with that. And now we're going to reinstall. Now I'm going to put this all the way tight because I want to make sure my levers are exactly where I want them, because I took them further apart than I did on this side. So I want to double check to make sure it's good.
Then tighten all the way. Make sure I can get this side in. And the bottom one I'm going to tighten all the way through.
Nice and tight. Get this part nice and tight.
Alright, now I'm going to check the levers.
Alright, this is a little higher than I want them. Just adjust it. So that feels good to me. I'm going to take my Allen and finish tightening. So it's still a little wet in here, you can see with the play. This one's all good to go. So there you have it. Grip install in just a few minutes, and I didn't have to pay Harley $50 to $130 to do it. More money for more parts. There you have it. Grip install, super easy. You can save anywhere from $50 to $130 installing them yourself. And always keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic, so if I can do it, so can you. So I hope you found this helpful, informative, and if you like my content, please subscribe. I want to thank all my subscribers and my loyal watchers. I appreciate all of you. And always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.